everyone, myself Gayatri, studying third year in Department of Computer Science. Our team name is Innovative Queens. I'm a team lead of my team. Followed by me, Gayatri, Abarna, Abhirami are my team members. Our idea is Smart Aqua Heater Controller, which is based on the domain of IoT. Now we are going to see the detailed explanation of our idea. The problem here is that normally while water gets overheated, the water heater becomes insufficient. Mainly, we don't have any specific range to boil water as per our convenient. While using normal water heater, we have to pour additional water to make the water as per our convenient. Due to overheating of heater, the stability is reduced. It consumes high power supply. The domain we have used here is IoT, Internet of Things. As IoT reduces the human effort, then it definitely reduces our time. Some of the main features of IoT are connectivity, analyzing, and integration. Applications of IoT are factory digitalization, inventory management, safety, security, and quality control. All the circuits in the water heater is controlled by microcontroller, which is used to automatically on or off the heaters from anywhere. In water heater, timer might help us to save water and the power of electricity. When the water reaches the fixed range of temperature, it gives the alert message by using buzzer mini. The main idea is to decrease the excess usage of water and to control the wastage of electricity. It will reduce the damage of the hardware components present in the water heater. Node MCU is fixed in the water heater for fixing the temperature and the capacity of the water heater. The ultrasonic sensor is used to detect the water level in the heater and to intimate the user about the water level in the heater. The flow of water can be automatically controlled by using servo motors. After controlling the water flow, the temperature range can be detected by the temperature sensor. When the water reaches the fixed range of temperature, the data will be transferred to Node MCU. The temperature can be fixed using Wi-Fi module. Here, we fixed three kinds of ranges: warm, hot, and hotter. The range of warm will be 43.3 and the range of hot will be 54.3 and the range of hotter will be 60. When the water reaches the fixed temperature, it gives the alert to the user. We, and it also gives the water level of the heater. We can we can access the heater from anywhere whenever we need it. Now we are going to see the flow of our project. Initially, we have integrated all the components using IoT. Then we have fixed some of the ranges or conditions like warm, hot, and hotter in Node MCU. Then the temperature sensor is connected, which is used to sense the temperature of the water based on the specified condition. When the water in the heater reaches the temperature less than or equal to 43.3, then it will be notified as warm, or it will check the next condition, that is when the water exceeds 43.3 degree and less than or equal to 54.3 degree, then it will notify as hot, else it will be notified as hotter. When the condition given by the user is satisfied, the heater will be automatically stopped and notified. Next, we are going to discuss the prerequisite knowledge of our project. The hardware knowledge that we are required for our project are Node MCU, Wi-Fi module. Node MCU is connected with the mobile through hotspot to access the heater from anywhere and anytime. Water temperature sensor, which is used to sense the temperature of the water heater. Ultrasonic sensor, which is used to detect the water level in the heater. Servo mini, buzzer mini, and 5-volt relay are also used. Arduino IDE is a platform which is used to upload the program into the hardware components. So these are the software knowledge required for connecting the devices together for the better performance. Now we are going to see the demo of our project. This is buzzer, which is used to give a beep alert sound when it satisfies the given condition. This is relay, which is used whenever it is necessary to control a high power circuit with a low power circuit. This is servo motor, which is used to control the wall of the water tank. This is Node MCU, which is a low-cost open-source IoT platform. It is an integrated circuit for Wi-Fi network and it consumes less energy. Node MCU is connected with mobile through hotspot. This is our prototype. This is ultrasonic sensor which is used to detect the water level in the heater. This is water temperature sensor which is used to sense the temperature of the water in the heater. We have to fix inside the heater. Now, ultrasonic sensor is fixed at the top of the heater to detect the water level. We can access the heater through mobile phones whenever we need it. We can on the heater and specify the range as per our need. For example, now we are fixing the range as warm. This buzzer sound indicates that the water is ready with a specified temperature, and also alert is given to the user through mobile phones. To explore more projects, do check on www.arunai.org/ideathon. Thank you.